Hello friends, welcome back to the monthly video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about the Samsung phone guys keyboard default theme. How can we set? Friends, you want to set the Samsung phone guys keyboard default theme. So friend, how can you set it today? Friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we set guys keyboard default theme. Open your phone setting and guys open your the search bar and guys turn on guys your only keyboard. So guys we will only turn guys setting icon guys tap here and scroll it. As you can see theme guys tap here. As you can see light theme guys means default with the normal theme. I will tap here to default it. Let's come back. Friends, you can see guys your keyboard theme will set it to where the light theme is normal, the default theme guys. Come back friends, you can see. So like that guys we can set guys keyboard default theme. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set keyboard default theme. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Bye guys.